welcome back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik
and Srinithi.
Today we are going to do how to ride a hoverboard. So I got this hoverboard recently, so I'm going to share how to ride it. So here's the hoverboard, and when you flip it around, there are these two things. So this is the on button and this is the place where you plug in. So now let's see if the on button works. So here are the operating buttons. You only have to operate hoverboards with your legs. So when you tilt your foot forward, it will go front, and when you tilt your leg backwards, it will go back. And if you tilt your leg forward and one backward, it will spin around. Now let's try. So for beginners, you have to ride on grass, and you have to step with one foot and another, like this. To steer, you have to move your legs, like tilt them front, back, or even front and back to make it spin. Now let's go and try on the side one. So now I'm hopping on the hoverboard. When you hop on, the lights will come on like this. And now I'm going to go on to the road. It's so fun. And they're coming. So you have to be careful on the road because you might get hurt. And I'm spinning. Yeah, I love to spin on the hoverboard. Now, see I'm pressing backward, so it's going backward. And now I'm pressing forward, so it's going forward. And now I'm pressing both, so it's like spinning around like a tornado. Now it's reverse time. Yeah!
Now I'm going to try. My brother is helping me hop on.
It's fun to help my sister.
Whee! It's so fun! I'm going front. Now I'm spinning. It's so fun. I'm spinning.
I'm going back. Forward. I'm spinning. I'm spinning. In the dark, it looks like this. Whoa, they're even more colorful. But when it's night, it's a real showtime. Yeah, viewers.
Now I am riding. It's so fun.